Good morning. Welcome to MBDS Gurukul channel. How are you? I hope you will be healthy and happy. One request to you, please subscribe this channel and also share this video to your classmates. Today I am going to solve the rest question in this exercise, and after that the question that I gave for you practice. Okay? Question number 4 of 4. Solution. Now question number 4 say -10, -6, -2 and 2. First of all, we have to find this set is this series is in AP or not. If AP, then find common difference D and write 3 more terms. Okay. Now -10, -6, -2 and 2. Now T2 minus T1 is equal to second term minus first term is equal to -6 minus -10 is equal to -6 plus 10 is equal to 4. Again T3 minus T2 is equal to -2 minus -6 is equal to -2 plus 6 is equal to 4. T4 minus T3 is equal to 2 minus -2 is equal to 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Here, because T2 minus T1 equal to T3 minus T2 equal to T4 minus T1, therefore -10, -6, -2 and 2 are in AP. So D is equal to 4. We have to 1, 2, 3 terms. The next 3 T5 is equal to -10 plus 4 into D. It means that then -4 plus 16 is equal to 6. T6 is equal to -10 plus 5 into 4 is equal to -10 plus 20 is equal to 10. T7 is equal to -10 plus A plus 66 into 4 -10 plus 24 is equal to 4. 14. Hence D is equal to 4 and three more terms are 6, 10 and 14. Answer. The next question number 5. Question number 5. 3 plus 2, 3 plus 2, 3 plus 3, 2. Okay. Three plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2, dot. Now T2 minus T1 is equal to 3 plus root 2 minus 3 is equal to root 2. T3 minus T2 is equal to 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 minus root 2 is equal to 3 cancel, 2 root 2 minus root 2 is equal to root 2. Now T4 minus T3 is equal to 3 plus 3 2 minus 3 minus 2 root 2 is equal to 3 থেকে আছে 2 minus 2 root 2 is equal to root 2 here, because T2 minus T1 is equal to T3 minus T2 is equal to T4 minus T3. So therefore 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2 dot 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 are in a page. Okay, so D is equal to root 2. The next term 1 2 3 4, next term fifth, next term T5 is equal to A plus A is equal to 3 plus 4 into root 2 is equal to 3 plus 4 root 2. T6 is equal to 3 plus 5 into root 2 is equal to 3 plus 5 root 2. T7 is equal to 3 plus 6 into root 2 is equal to 3 plus 6 root 2. Hence D is equal to root 2 and 3 more terms are 3 plus 4 root 2, 3 plus 5 root 2, 3 plus 6 root 2. Answer. The next question, question number 6. Question number 6, 0.2, 0.22, 0.222, 0.222 dot dot dot. 0.2, 0.22, 0.222, 0.2222 dot dot dot. Here T2 minus T1 is equal to 0.22 minus 0.2 is equal to 0.02. T3 minus T2 is equal to 0.222 minus 0.22 is equal to 0.002. Because T2 minus T1 does not equal to T3 minus T2, so 0.2, 0.22, 0.222, 0.2222 are not in a pitch. Okay, now the next question, question number 7. Zero minus 4 minus 8 minus 12. 0 minus 4 minus 8 minus 12. Now T2 minus T1 is equal to minus 4 minus 0 is equal to minus 4. T3 minus T2 is equal to minus 8 minus 4 is equal to minus 8 plus 4 is equal to minus 4. T4 minus T3 is equal to minus 12 minus minus 8 is equal to minus 12 plus 8 is equal to minus 4. Because T2 minus T1 is equal to T3 minus T2 is equal to T4 minus T3, therefore 0 minus 4 minus 8 minus 12 are in a pitch. So D is equal to minus 4. Now the next three term T5 is equal to 0 plus 4 into minus 4 is equal to 0 plus minus 16 is equal to minus 16. T6 is equal to 0 plus 5 into minus 4 is equal to 0 plus minus 20 is equal to minus 20. T7 is equal to 0 plus 6 into minus 4 is equal to 0 plus minus 24 is equal to minus 24. Hence d is equal to minus 4 and 3 more terms are minus 16, minus 20, minus 24. Answer. The next question, question number 8. Minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2. T2 minus T1 is equal to minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 is equal to minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. T3 minus T2 is equal to minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by minus 1 by 2 is equal to minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. T4 minus T3 is equal to minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 is equal to minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. Because T2 minus T1 equal to T3 minus T4 equal to T3 minus T2 equal to T4 minus T3. Therefore minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 dot 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 are in each. So d is equal to 0. Therefore T5 is equal to minus 1 by 2 plus 4 into 0 is equal to minus 1 by 2 plus 0 is equal to minus 1 by 2. T6 is equal to minus 1 by 2 plus 5 into d is equal to minus 1 by 2 plus 0 is equal to minus 1 by 2. T7 is equal to minus 1 by 2 plus 6 into d means 0. Minus 1 by 2 plus 0 is equal to minus 1 by 2. Hence d is equal to 0 and 3 more terms minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Answer. Now question number 9. Question number 9, 1, 3, 9, 27. 1, 3, 9, 27. Now T2 minus T1, first term minus second term minus first term, 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. T3 minus T2 is equal to 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. Here T2 minus T1 does not equal to 3 minus T2, because T2 minus T1 does not equal to T3 minus T1. Therefore 1, 3, 9, 27 are not in each. Next question, question number 10. A, 2A, 3A, 4A. A, 2A, 3A, 4A. T2 minus T1 is equal to 2A minus A is equal to A. T3 minus T2 is equal to 3A minus 2A is equal to A. T4 minus T3 is equal to 4A minus 3A is equal to A. Because T2 minus T1 is equal to T3 minus T2 is equal to T4 minus T3. Therefore A, 2A, 3A, 4A dot 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 are in each. So d is equal to a, means the next term 1 2 3 4 fifth, t5 is equal to a plus 4d is equal to a plus 4a is equal to 5, t6 is equal to a plus 5 into a is equal to a plus 5a is equal to 6a, t7 is equal to a plus 6 into d, it means a 6 into a, so a plus 6a is equal to 7a. Hence d is equal to a, and three more terms are, and three more terms are 5a, 6a, 7a. Here you also write here r. Okay. The next question, question number 11. Question number 11, a square a के power a to the power 3 a to the power 4, a square a to the power 3 a to the power 4 dot dot dot. Here t2 minus t1 is equal to a square minus a is equal to a common a minus 1. t3 minus t1 is equal to a to the power 3 minus a to the power 2 is equal to, if a square common then a minus 1. Both are not equal, so we write, because t2 minus t1 does not equal to t3 minus t2. Therefore a square a to the power 3 a to the power 4 dot 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 are not in FH. Question number 12. Root under 2, root under 8, root under 11, root under 32. 2, root under 8, root under 18, root under 32. Here t2 minus t1 is equal to root under 8 minus root under 2. Now you write 8 to 2 into 2 into 2 minus root 2, so root 2 is common, then root under 4 minus 1 is equal to root under 2 minus 1 is equal to root under 2 into 1 is equal to root under 2. Now t3 minus t2 is equal to root under 18 minus root under 8 is equal to root under 18 2 into 3 into 3, root under 2 into 2 into 2, so root under 2 is common, then root under 3 root under 9 minus root under 4, root under 2, 3 minus 2, root under 2 into 1 is equal to root under 2. Now because t2 minus t1 equal to t3 minus t2, similarly we can also subtract t4 minus t3, then we get root under 2. So t2 minus t1 is equal to t3 minus t2, therefore root under 2, root under 8, root under 18, root under 32 dot 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 are in FH. So d is equal to root under 2, so t5 is equal to root under 2 plus 4 into root under 2 is equal to 4 root 2 and 1 root 2, 5 root 2 is equal to root under 5 into 5 into 2. 5 5 25, 25 to 50. Here 5 is in 1. If you go to in under root, then the square of 5. Okay. Now t6 is equal to root under 2 plus 5 into root 2 is equal to 6 root 2 is equal to root under 6 into 6 into 2 is equal to 72. t7 is equal to root under 2 plus 6 into root under 2 is equal to 7 root 2 is equal to root under 7 into 7 into 2 is equal to root under 98. Hence d is equal to root under 2 and 3 more terms are root under 50, root under 72, root under 98. Answer. Question number 13. Root under 3, root under 6, root under 9, root under 12. 3, root under 6, root under 9, root under 12 dot dot dot. T2 minus T1 is equal to root under 6 minus root under 3. Now root under 3 is common, then root under 2 minus 1. T3 minus T2 is equal to root under 9 minus root under 6. Here also common, root under 3. Then root under 3, 3 3 are 9 and root minus root under 3 2 are 6. Both are not equal. So we write here, because T2 minus T1 does not equal to T3 minus T2. Therefore, root under 3, root under 6, root under 9, root under 12 dot 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 are not in a page. Now, question number 14. 1 square, 3 square, 5 square, 7 square. 1 square, 3 square, 5 square, 7 square dot dot dot. T2 minus T1 is equal to 3 square minus 1 square is equal to 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. T3 minus T2 is equal to 5 square minus 3 square by 25 minus 9 is equal to 16. Both are not equal. So we write, because T2 minus T1 does not equal to T3 minus T2, therefore 1 square, 3 square, 5 square, 7 square dot 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 are not in a page. Now question number 15. 1 square, 5 square, 7 square, 73. 1 square, 5 square, 7 square and 73 dot dot dot. T2 minus T1 is equal to 5 square minus 1 square is equal to 25 minus 1 is equal to 24. T3 minus T2 is equal to 7 square minus 5 square, 49 minus 25 is equal to also 24. T4 minus T3 is equal to 73 minus 7 square is equal to 73 minus 49. So 4 and 6 24. Here, because T2 minus T1 is equal to T3 minus T2 is equal to T4 minus T3, therefore 1 square, 5 square, 7 square, 73 dot 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 are in a page. So D is equal to 24. So therefore the T5 is equal to 1 square plus 4 into 24 is equal to 1 plus 4 4 are 16, 4 2 are 8, it was 9, 97. T6 is equal to 1 square plus 5 into 24 is equal to 1 plus 5 4 20, 5 2 10 on 1 11 is equal to 100. 5 4 20, 5 10 11 12, 121. T7 is equal to 1 square plus 6 into 24 is equal to 1 plus 6 4 is 24, 2 6 2 are 12 and 2 14 is equal to 145. Hence D is equal to 24 and 3 more terms are 97, 121, 145 answer. Now I am giving you also two questions for practice. The first question, for the AP 3 by 2, 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 and minus 3 by 2 dot dot write the first term A and the common difference D. So solution 1, A is equal to 3 by 2, common difference D is equal to second term minus first term, two is LCM, so 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2 by 2, 2 cancel is equal to minus 1. Answer. The second question, which of the following list of number form an AP? If they form an AP, write the next two term. First 4, 10, 16, 12, 22. 4, 10, 16, 22. T2 minus T1 is equal to 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. T3 minus T2 is equal to 16 minus 10 is equal to 6. T4 minus T3 is equal to 22 minus 16 is equal to 6. Because T2 minus T1 is equal to T3 minus T2 is equal to T4 minus T3. Therefore 4, 10, 16, 22 dot 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 are in AP. Now we have to also find the next two term. It means that the fifth term is equal to 4 plus 4 into, here D is equal to 6. So 4 plus 24 is equal to 28. T6 is equal to 4 plus 5 into 6 is equal to 4 plus 30 is equal to 34. Hence D is equal to, hence the next two terms are 28, 34. Answer. Now the second question, 1 minus 1 minus 3 and minus 5. T2 minus T1 is equal to minus 1 minus 1 is equal to minus 2. T3 minus T2 is equal to minus 3 minus 1 minus 3 plus 1 is equal to minus 2. T4 minus T3 is equal to minus 5 minus 3 is equal to minus 3 plus 3 is equal minus 5 plus 3 is equal to minus 2. Here because T2 minus T1 equal to T3 minus T2 equal to T4 minus T3, therefore 1 minus 1 minus 3 minus 5 dot 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 are in APs. The next term T5 is equal to 1 plus 4 into minus 2 is equal to 1 minus 8 is equal to minus 7. T6 is equal to 1 plus 5 into minus 2 is equal to 1 minus 10 is equal to minus 10. Hence, the next two terms are minus 7 and minus 9. Answer. Now the third question, minus 2 2 minus 2 2 minus 2 dot dot dot. Now T2 minus T1 is equal to 2 minus minus 2, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. T3 minus T2 is equal to minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 is equal to minus 4. Here both are not equal because T2 minus T1 does not equal to T3 minus T2. Therefore minus 2 2 minus 2 2 minus 2 dot 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 are not in a page. Now the next question, question number 4. 1 1 1 2 2 2 3 3 3. 1 1 1 2 2 2 3 3 3 dot dot dot. T2 minus T1 is equal to 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. T3 minus T2 is equal to 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. T4 minus T2, T4 minus T3 is equal to 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Here not equal. So because T2 minus T1 is equal T3 minus T2, but T4 minus does not equal to T4 minus T3. So 1 1 1 2 2 2 3 3 3 are not in APC. Answer. That's all. Thank you.